Since 2013, Shine Humanity has brought quality primary healthcare to the heart of rural Pakistan, across Sindh, and now expanding into Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Our 18 clinics offer not just treatment, but prevention and education, helping families live healthier, more empowered lives. Even in remote villages, our teams use electronic medical records to capture vital data, improving care and driving research that shapes future health solutions.
But change doesn't happen alone. Behind every step forward, there are partners who make transformation possible. The real story is about them, those who walk with us. Each one of our partners brings something unique to the table: resources, knowledge, or simply heart, so that together we can bring about a lasting change to how rural communities access quality primary healthcare near their homes.
In rural Sindh, where 70% of children face malnutrition or stunting, the future can feel uncertain. With trust for malnutrition and stunted growth, TMSG's support, Shine is providing life-saving nutrition and care, helping children at risk of stunting and wasting survive and thrive.
What impressed me most was their sincerity, professionalism, and the real difference they were already making. When our teams met, it immediately clicked as we shared the same purpose: to save children through practical and sustainable action. The results were remarkable, and with nearly a 90% success rate, it proved the true value of our ready-to-use therapeutic food and essentially micronutrients in saving lives.
मुझे लाइक कमजोरी सफाई दी कमजोरी तो मुझे दिए मरी वेंदी ली सब तो मैंने जी की ते दाखिल कई दवा वठे ता चाटा वठे खाया तो नंदरे नॉर्मल सही थी वने माशाल्लाह मुके 2 महीने उठवा थी दुनी नंदरे के माशाल्लाह से 12 सेहतमंद सही थी।
Together with Vital Pakistan Trust, Shine Humanity is transforming maternal and child health through expanded access to family planning and reproductive care. By training community health workers, we are helping women understand safe birth spacing, contraception, and basic hygiene, empowering them to make informed choices and protect their families' futures.
When you partner with the other organization, meaning that it is not a competition, it is complementing the service and strength of each other organization.
CSR, that truly matters. Shan Foods is changing lives through Shine Humanity's clinic in Kunri, Sindh. The clinic serves up to 1,000 patients monthly and is helping us deliver essential healthcare to Pakistan's chili farming community.
Well, the reason that we've partnered with them is that they don't have just a one-time fix. They are focused on long-term sustainable access to health, and that is something that resonated very well with us. I rely on them with my eyes closed. We are in a country that needs a lot of development, and the onus falls on corporations like us, like others watching this documentary, to partner with organizations that are doing stellar work.
Together, we are able to bring care, dignity, and hope to uplift rural communities.
When we wanted to do something for the undernourished women, pregnant women in the rural areas, we could think of no one better than Shine Humanity as a collaborating partner, because they have the ability, they have the rural clinics. So we made a 3 million rupees project and we set a protocol with them, and mashallah that it's called Umeed Se. It's doing great still. If you spend $1 in primary health care, you save $35 in tertiary hospitals.
जिन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में काम करते हैं उनमें से मैंने एक फैसिलिटी इनकी विज़िट भी कर चुका हूँ, और ये वहाँ बिल्कुल जो है ना काफ़ी वहाँ लोगों का मैंने रश देखा, तो जो वहाँ अपने इलाज के लिए आ रहे थे, और ये नहीं कि सिर्फ इलाज उनका हो रहा था बल्कि इज़्ज़त और वक़ार भी उनको मिल रहा था। बहुत ही लोग मुतमईन थे। मैंने खुद जो है ना लोगों से मालूम किया था, वो बड़ा मुतमईन थे।
We are extremely fortunate to have the support of our donors to help us achieve our mission. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to join us on our mission and help the disenfranchised people of Pakistan. क्योंकि सेहत सबका हक है।